Most agency owners think adding an AI chatbot to Messenger will save their time, but in reality, standard AI chatbots kill your conversion rate because they sound robotic and reply instantly. And also, breaking the moment when a user asks a complex question. If you're running a digital agency or selling any courses, standard chatbots will create more manual bottlenecks than they solve. But what if your AI had realistic typing delays, used smart text routing to handle orders and FAQ separately, and also when a user asks a complex question, it will send you a message to your Telegram for human handoff. In this video, I'm breaking down the exact n8n multi-agent automation system that handles text, image, voice, post shares while keeping your business completely automated without losing personal touch. Okay, this is our main workflow. Let's jump into our first step. Our first step is to connect our webhook with Messenger. Just click here, the plus icon, search webhook. Click here. As you can see, there are two types of URL. Test URL is for testing. As we are building this automation, we need this test URL. Production URL for this when we publish this workflow. Click here again. Okay, this is the URL. If you click here, you can copy this URL. Now, and this is the HTTP method. You can select multiple methods. Get is for, as we were building our messenger automation, we need this get option to verify or to notify that a user sent us a message, and to give a reply from AI, we need this post option also. So as you see, when I select this one, then this not gonna select it. So to select multiple HTTP method, go to the setting option, allow multiple HTTP methods. Then select get post. Now you can see you can select two methods. This is the path. Just remove it, give it any kind of name. Let's say YouTube Messenger. As you see, this URL renamed. Now you can see you don't need to click authentication. Just come here in the respond option. Here you can see so many options. Just select using respond to webhook. Okay. Now go to Google and search Meta Developer app. Click here, log in with your Facebook ID. Here you can see my apps. Go there. Now you need to create a new app for messenger automation. Just click here, create app. Just create app, give it a name. As we give it a name like YouTube Messenger. Okay, next. Just select others, next. Select business type, because if you select this business type, you can automate so many things with this app. Next. Yeah, okay. Now you can select a business portfolio. I have, but I don't want to select any portfolio. Create app. Okay,
Facebook is verifying it's me or not. Give me your password, then submit. Yeah, our new Facebook Messenger, sorry, our new Meta developer app is created. Select this Messenger setup option. Go to your n8n main account, main workflow. Copy this test URL and go in the developer app again. As you can see, callback URL, just paste the URL. Verify token, give any kind of verify token name. I'm giving this name. Now go again in your main workflow, just select listen for test. Go in this, just verify and save now. As you can see, it's making error. Just go to n8n. Okay. As we selected this respond to webhook, we need some more nodes. First of all, this is our main workflow. I took this new webhook to showcase guys you so that you understand that. Now we need if node. Just click here, search for if node, get this. Don't need to give it any kind of value, just make it, and that you can see there are two options, true and false. Just in the true section, click here, search respond to webhook. You click here. Okay, just now just say execute this workflow. Go to your Meta developer app. Now verify and save. I was getting error again, but you got some values as likes. You can see this workflow is executed. Now we need to work in if too. In the value 1 section, just drag this hub.mode here is equal to, and the subscribe here in the value 2. Add condition again. Now just hub.verify token here. Just copy this and just paste it here. Don't change any kind of value to. Okay, now execute. Now it's going in the true branch. Now okay, select here, respond with, select text. Okay, now in the response body, just drag the verify.challenge. That's it. Now execute this workflow and go there and save and verify. Yeah, you can see it's saved. Okay, our first step of get in the get node is done. Okay, we need to now set up post. So select here. Now again, okay, I'm just duplicating this respond to webhook here. Now I'm connecting this post node with this. Go here and select no data. Okay, that's it. As you can see here also, no data. Why I took this respond to webhook again in the post node. Sometimes when you publish this workflow, a user sent one message, but your AI agent gonna send message so many times, like 3 times, 4 times. Okay, because it thought his response is also a user's message. To prevent that, we need a response to webhook again. That's it. In this workflow, I added human review. You can see here the human review things like human review node. For that, using our human review option, we can block a spam user for for a specific time period. To check the block users, they are blocked or not, we use a SQL executive SQL query node. We are saving our memory to a superbase. We will later discuss that, okay? So this is for, like you can see, this is the query. Just identify the blocked users, they are blocked or not. That's for this query, this for this node is okay. And the second thing is also for that, it's a code JavaScript node. I just added this. If you don't need this option to block any user, so that AI cannot answer messages of the user, you can use the human review block and unblock option. I created this workflow for a specific business for the personalized workflow. He needs that. That's why I just created this. You can see this code here. Yeah. To generate these codes, the query and this code, you can use any kind of LLM model, ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude. Okay, because I'm also a non-coder, so I used Gemini to generate this code. And after that, I use a if node. If the user is blocked, then it gonna goes in this false, okay? And if the user don't gonna be the blocked one, then it continue to go that. Okay, I'm clicking this option. As you can see, I selected this is false. And after that, let's jump into step 3. Step 3 is all about type, what kind of data we are receiving. Like in Messenger, we can send text message, voice message, image also, and some certain things like someone share our Facebook post. Okay, so for text message, this is a switch node. Switch node is just a thing to navigate the right data type to the right node. If I click in this, you can see this is the post. I just rename this text, okay? You can see this post text. This is the node name. Output name, you can type anything. This is for audio, this is for image, and this is for text. It's for shared post, okay? This is for shared post. And you can see also this is text. This is voice, this is for post, this is for fallback post. Some post has a title and some post has just image. So these are two types of data. First, let's talk about text. You don't need to do anything else. Just okay. Let's send a message first. Before sending a message, we need to go to our Meta Developer app. Now step 2, generate access token. Connect your page. Log in with your account. Continue. Current page. I will just pick this page only. Okay, got it. There had two options. The first option was to add the future pages and the current pages also. And the second option which I chosen there, a specific Facebook page. Now add subscription. Okay, I'm automating messenger workflow. So let's pick this. Don't click this, otherwise our AI agent gonna spam a lot. Okay, our AI agent will send so many messages at a time to the user to the same message. So don't click this. Check. Okay, yeah. You will get a message echo option also. Here it's don't click this, otherwise it will do the same thing. Don't click this and this, then confirm. Now I came here in the same Facebook page messenger option. Now let's execute this workflow. First execute this workflow. Okay, execute this workflow. Let's say hi, send. Okay, now you can see this successful, this is successful. Now it goes in the post option because a user, and the user is me, sent a message. Okay, let's connect this with this. Okay, now it can get our information. Now in this input section you can see so many options, and this is output option. Okay, let's disconnect this. Okay, now as you can see, so we send a text message. Okay, this is the message. So just drag this here. Okay, this is the text message, and I said I chosen this option, exit. Sorry, it should be exits. And all the different types of things you can get this. Okay, now let's send a voice message. First of all, execute this. Before sending any kind of message, you need to execute this. Okay, before sending any message in Messenger, to get the reply as we are in the test mode, just execute this workflow before sending any message. Now let's send any voice message. Hello. Okay, we sent a voice message. Let's go in our n8n workflow now. Yeah, as you can see, it received that voice. Now it's going here. Okay, I'm stopping this workflow. Okay, now as you can see here, now it goes in the voice option. This is the voice option. Just scroll down. You can see the type is audio. Just drag this here and just copy this audio and just paste it here. Don't change anything in the value to option. Otherwise it's gonna break. So after that, in the every option you can get this. In the every type of message format except text, we need to get a HTTP request. Click here to get the node. Click here. You can see there is a URL option. Just scroll down. In the type below, you can get the URL payload. Just drag this here, and that's it. and the method should be get. After that, you can see a binary text format. Why we are using this HTTP request? This is for to download the file inside n8n. If you view, then you can see the audio as okay. This is the, and if you download this, you can download this in your desktop. After that, I choose a code, okay, and after that I choose Gemini. As you can see here, I just select the audio option, transcribe the recording, model I choose chosen Gemini 3.1 flashlight. Input type should be binary and data be as it is a data format, you can see here. Now it extract my text hello hello what I sent. Okay, why I am using Gemini? To use Gemini, you need to give it a credential. Select new credential. Just paste the API key here. Just go to google.ai studio. Google AI Studio. Click here. Just search in Google AI Studio. Click here. You can get this dashboard. Just click here, get key option, API key option. Create a API key. Just click here and copy a key, and then paste the API key here and just save. That's it. As after that, you can get your credential. You can rename that credential by choosing the pencil option, and here you can rename the option. You can rename this credential name. Okay. For every type of data, this is yeah. Now to combine all the data in a text format, I used a JavaScript so that our text classifier and just think about which path is right for this text. I just created this JavaScript using Gemini. Okay, you can also. By the way, after that, this is our fourth step, and now it's a text classifier, which means it classify or understand. If I say hello, then it's kind of a switch node, but not for data type, for the text. This is a switch node for data, and this is for text. Okay, so if I enter in this, you can see the category names: purchase link provider, general FAQ, human review, and others. And I give it a system prompt. You can get this system message in this video's comment. Just check out. Now you can see I just give it a final reminder. In the final reminder option, you can see Dhaka, Asia. It's my capital of my country. Now you can see the time and the date. Why I gave this? AI agents are really so dumb to understand the current date and year. That's why I gave this. How to write a system message properly? Just have a look. I'll make a video on this topic. After that, I just created two AI agents. One is for giving the purchase link, and this is for general FAQ, and this is for human review. Just click here and search AI agent. You will get this. Okay, this AI agent just will provide the links, only the links. I just gave it the course link, the book link, and the free exam, the YouTube video link for it's not a dummy, and give it some instruction. And for general FAQ also, what kind of automation you are looking for, then that will be your system message. It will understand that. That's it. After that, you need to give it a brain. I just gave Gemini, and this is a fallback brain. If you click here for any kind of AI agent, just enable this fallback model, then you will get another option to add another brain. So it's our primary brain and it's our secondary brain. If our Gemini model, as you can see, we are using 3.5 flash, but in recent times it's kind of crashing so many times for so many requests in the same time. That's why I give it a second brain. It's from Open Router. You should use Open Router. You can get every AI model, ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, everything. So if this brain fails, then it will use his, if its primary brain gonna fail, then it will use its secondary brain. And this is, you will get a memory option also. So let's jump into how to create a super base. First, super base. Just search super base, and log in into your account. Now start your project. Just give it a name and a password. Okay, I'm making a new one. Select here new project. Give it a project name and then a strong password. And after that, let's say I just give it this password. Just copy this, come into your n8n option, just make a new credential option, just paste the password here. After that, give it a name. Okay, I just giving, that's it. Region, which region is nearest to you, just select and create a new project. After creating a new project, you can see this connect option. Click here. Now select this option, direct connection string. Now select this option, session follow. Now you get this host, copy this, and now just paste it here. Host option here, just paste that. Okay, let's copy, paste here. You can see now username, where is the username? And we have now this port and database. Let's say port is same and the database is same. Just save here. Just click save, then it will save. Okay, now you will get an option session ID. Just click here, define below, not disconnected chat trigger, and after that just paste this, what I written this, what I written here, just paste this, nothing else, otherwise you will get error, because so many times you will get error. Okay, and give it a table name. You need to create a table in your Superbase. I give this context window 15. It should be 16. Sorry, it should be 10. And I just give it a database. Same with this. Now it's a human review. I just added this option. It's with this. This is the SQL. Okay. If the text classifier understand that this AI user sent a different kind of message which doesn't align with this two agent, then it will goes in the human review section. It will send a message in Telegram to me, and to add that text also in our Superbase memory, we need a SQL. Okay, just copy this. I just limit 4 so that I can see the previous chats in my Telegram. Like say I said hello, but previously I could say like, how can I get this? How can I get your course? So I just want the context, that's why I just add this. And for format this, I just added a new code, JavaScript node. Okay, this is the Telegram message. How to set up a Telegram? I will make a different video on this, because otherwise this video gonna be so much broad. You can see this. Okay, you can see I added a code in JavaScript again to combine this AI agents output. You can create this using Gemini. After that, I give it a wait period, time period, to feel like a human, because if I say hello and after that, after 1 second later, I I get a message like, how can I assist you, how can I help you to do, by the way, this is our AI output. Okay, then it definitely the user gonna understand it's AI. So I just give it a expression like, mostly the minimum time should be 15 seconds and the maximum time should be 15 seconds. In this between time period, it will send the message, and after that I'll add a HTTP request to give it a typing effect. It's errors. Okay, don't worry, just paste this URL as it is. Okay, and the method should be post, and turn on this. This should be the same how I wrote this. You should write this the same. Now here, okay, I'm making this big. Just remove this. Go to your Meta Developer app. Click here, generate option, generate token. Now you can see your access token. Copy this, paste it here, and to get the typing effect, set JSON using JSON, and just copy this. That's it. That's it. After that, I give another wait period time, wait node. After that, I give it another wait node and the same typing effect again. Let's fix the access token. Yeah, in this HTTP last node also, in the last HTTP node also. Okay, now we need to change here something. This is the text for the output. This is the output of our AI agent. And this is the in the receipt ID. Just select the, let me get the item. Okay. Here you can see the, yeah, here you can see the receipt ID. But in the receipt ID, you don't need to drag the receipt ID. You need to drag the sender ID to this, this, and this one. Now let's say, let's say, let's just waiting. Okay. That's why you are not seeing any kind of response here. After completing this step, you can see the typing effect. Just wait for a while. Hello, hello. As you can see, I just sent the hello hello message again in the voice format. Now AI agent is thinking using Gemini, and after that we can see a result here. Just wait. My mistake. Now you can see here. Now you can see here the text effect, and after that, our AI agent sent the message back.